Hey everyone, and welcome to my review of the Amazfit GTR 2 smartwatch. This watch has been getting a lot of buzz lately, and for good reason. It's packed with features, including a built-in Alexa voice assistant, curved bezel design, and long battery life. In this video, I'm going to give you a complete overview of the Amazfit GTR 2, including its design, features, performance, and overall value. So if you're thinking about buying this smartwatch, be sure to watch the whole video before you make a decision. Design. The Amazfit GTR 2 has a sleek and stylish design. It features a curved bezel that gives it a premium look and feel. The watch is also very lightweight and comfortable to wear. The GTR 2 comes in two different sizes, 42mm and 47mm. I have the 47mm version, which is a bit on the large side for my wrist. However, it's still very comfortable to wear. The watch has a single button on the right side. This button can be used to access the main menu, turn on the display, and more. The GTR 2 also has a built-in speaker and microphone. This allows you to make and receive calls directly from your watch. Features. The Amazfit GTR 2 is packed with features. Here are some of the most notable ones. Built-in Alexa voice assistant. Curved bezel design. Long battery life. 90 sports modes. GPS tracking. Heart rate monitoring. Blood oxygen monitoring. Sleep tracking. Stress monitoring. PAI health assessment system. Alexa voice assistant. The Amazfit GTR 2 has a built-in Alexa voice assistant. This means that you can use your voice to control your watch and other smart home devices. To use Alexa, simply raise your wrist and say, "Alexa." You can then ask Alexa to do things like set alarms, check the weather, play music, and more. Curved bezel design. The Amazfit GTR 2 has a curved bezel design. This gives the watch a premium look and feel, and it also makes it easier to swipe through the menus. Long battery life. The Amazfit GTR 2 has a long battery life. It can last up to 14 days on a single charge with typical use. 90 sports modes. The Amazfit GTR 2 has 90 different sports modes. This means that you can track your fitness data for a wide variety of activities, including running, cycling, swimming, and more. GPS tracking. The Amazfit GTR 2 has built-in GPS tracking. This allows you to track your route and distance when you're exercising. Heart rate monitoring. The Amazfit GTR 2 has a built-in heart rate monitor. This allows you to track your heart rate throughout the day, and it also provides real-time heart rate alerts. Blood oxygen monitoring. The Amazfit GTR 2 has a built-in blood oxygen monitor. This allows you to measure your blood oxygen saturation levels. Sleep tracking. The Amazfit GTR 2 can track your sleep quality. It provides data on your sleep stages, duration, and overall sleep quality. Stress monitoring. The Amazfit GTR 2 can track your stress levels. It provides data on your stress levels throughout the day, and it also provides tips on how to reduce stress. PAI health assessment system. The Amazfit GTR 2 has a built-in PAI health assessment system. This system analyzes your heart rate, activity data, and other health metrics to provide you with a single score that represents your overall health. Performance. The Amazfit GTR 2 performs very well. It's responsive and easy to use. The Alexa voice assistant works well, and the GPS tracking is accurate. The GTR 2 also has a very good battery life. I was able to get over 10 days of use on a single charge with typical use. Overall value. The Amazfit GTR 2 is a great smartwatch overall. It's packed with features, including a built-in Alexa voice assistant, curved bezel design, and long battery life. The GTR 2 is also very affordable. It's currently priced at around $200. If you're looking for a smartwatch with a lot of features and a great value, the Amazfit GTR 2 is a great option.